Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Eknathazne and today we are going to discuss about prokaryotic cells and the eukaryotic cells. Firstly we discuss about prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic, pro means primitive and the karyon means nucleus, are the small, simple and the most primitive. In these cells, the nuclear material is not bound by a definite nuclear membrane. Organism like bacteria and the cyanobacteria, blue-green algae shows the prokaryotic organism. Then we show the prokaryotic cells consist of the following components. First, cell envelope, then cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, then ribosomes, genetic material and the plasmids. So first, cell envelope, it consists of cell wall. It consists of three basic layers, namely glycolex, cell wall and the cell membrane. So cell wall, it provides the definite shape and gives strong structural support to the cell. Then plasma membrane, it is the chemically composed of lipid and proteins. The plasma membrane separates the interior of the cell from its environment. Cytoplasm. Then cytoplasm is a semi-fluid substance, a matrix present to the cell. Matrix present in the cell membrane. It contains variety of inorganic and the organic compound which provides the suitable chemical environment for the cellular activities. Then ribosomes. In cytoplasmic matrix of the prokaryotic cells possesses the dense particle called the ribosomes. They are made up of RNA and the proteins. Then the prokaryotic ribosome are 17S type and it's composed of two subunits, 50S and 30S. Then the genetic material called nucleoid. The prokaryotic do not have the membrane bound nucleus. Then plasmids, the prokaryotic cell may possesses one or more additional self-replicating molecules called the DNA or the mini chromosomes. The extra chromosomal part of the DNA are called plasmids. Then we see about the eukaryotic cell and its structure. Eukaryotic cell have the generally dimension 10 times greater than the prokaryotic cells. It consists of cell wall, plasma membrane, then cytoplasm, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus. So first we see about the cell wall. The protective semi-transparent covering outside the cell membrane is called cell wall. It is thick, strong and rigid membrane. It absent in the animal cell. Cell wall provides rigidity and supports and the shape to the cell. Then plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, the cell surrounded by the plasma membrane or the cell membrane, which functional as a semi-permeable or selective permeable membrane. In plant cell, it is enclosed by the cell wall. Then cytoplasm, the cytosol or the cytoplasm consists of jelly-like colloidal ground substance called cytoplasmic matrix. It is further differentiated into outer ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. The matrix show the streaming movement of the side called cytolysis. The cytoplasmic matrix is composed of minerals, sugars, amino acid, tRNA, nucleotides, vitamin, proteins and acids. Then we see about the mitochondria, which is also called powerhouse of the cells. Mitochondria are the double membrane bound organelle found nearly about all eukaryotic cells. The average number of mitochondria in the cell varies from 50 to 5000. Then, under the light microscope, the majority of cells, the mitochondria, appear rod-shaped or the small spherical structure. The oxysome consists of three-part rounded head piece and the base piece. The cavity of the mitochondria is filled with a dense fluid known as the mitochondrial fluid. Then endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is found in all eukaryotic cell and it is absent in the prokaryotic cell. Then the endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane-bound organelle consists of dedicating branches and the anstoming strands from a network of the three types elements, that is stalk of the parallel sac called cisternae, irregular branching tubules and the oval vesicles. Then endoplasmic reticulum are classified based on the absence and the presence of ribosome, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a role in the detoxification of the liver and the Smooth endoplasmic reticulum play a role in the synthesis and the secretion of the lipid and steroid hormones. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is primarily involved in the protein synthesis owing to the presence of the ribosomes. Then Golgi apparatus or the Golgi complex. Golgi apparatus chemically modifies the material within it and release it to transport into the vesicles. Golgi apparatus is concerned with secretion like glycoprotein, glycolipid, storage of protein, carbohydrates and the lipids. Then we see about the lysosome. The word lysosome has derived from the Greek words that means lyso means digestive and soma means body. The lysosomes are the single membrane bound or bodies, round, epithelial and irregular in shape, having the multiple hydrolytic enzymes capable of digesting all kind of the materials inside and outside the cell. These are also known as a suicide bag of the cell. Thank you.